Good morning students, I am Professor Shailesh Kulkarni. Today I will explain you some basics about Sanjeevani Electronics and Telecommunication LMS. We will see how to log into our LMS system as well as how to access the contents provided by the different subject teachers. For that, first of all, the first step is we need to go with the URL. So we need to type the URL. For our LMS, the URL is, note it down carefully. So I need to open a browser, any browser. So here I am opening Chrome. So I will type here URL 52.7.61.3/etc new. I will repeat, the URL is 52.7.61.3/etc new. Make a note that there is no space between etc and new. Next step is you need to log in. So you'll be provided with the username and passwords. So right click on the login option here, which is there on the top right corner. So I'll click on login. I'll type username. For example, I am typing username as this and password I will type. So once I type username and password, click on login. Then you will get this home page. At the top right corner, you can see here student R75. The first thing that you need to do is you need to change your profile. So for that, click here on this arrow. I click here and go to profile. So first thing is you need to update your profile. So first, for example, I will change your name. So instead of student, I will type my name. Let's say Shailesh, and surname Kulkarni. So no need to change the other settings. So I'm just keeping it as it is. And then I said update profile. This is the first thing that you need to do. Now you can see here my name is now Shailesh Kulkarni. Second thing is you need to change your password. So if I click here, you will find here preferences. In this you will find option change password, right? So I will type the current password. Then you can set any new password, but make a note that the first character should be a capital letter. Okay, so I am setting my new password. So first character is capital. I need to retype it again. And then I am saying save changes. Okay, so my password is changed. Then on the left hand side you will find dashboard, site home, and some other options, right? So if you click on site home, right, here you can see different categories, like we have T electronics and telecommunication, then we have SY BTech, then we have B electronic telecommunication, then we have FY BTech, right? Now you need to click on the appropriate categories. Okay, if you are FE student, or if you are SC students, or if you are TE students, and if you are PE student, accordingly you will click on, right? For example, I am clicking here on, let's say, SY, right? So these are the different subjects of SY, right? So if I click on any of the subject, for example, if I click on, let's say, universal human values and ethics, right? So you will see this, right? So once you click on this, you should be able to access the contents provided by the respective subject faculty. As I am not enrolled for this course, so I will not be getting details of that. Okay, So you need to go to respective subject and you can see the contents. For example, here there is one course called as demo. If I click here, you will find the objectives, right? Then we can see here some videos. For example, I have posted one video here, function overloading in C++. If you click on this video will be played. Right, so likewise you need to access the contents of each and every subject. Okay, so these are the basic steps which I want to explain you about the Sanjeevani ENTC LMS. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Simply click here to log out, so this will take you out of the system, right, and close the browser, right. Okay, so I hope these basics are clear to you. Okay, so thank you for watching. So let's get started.